Today we will learn that how to access elements in Python set. Okay, so at first I will declare a set here. Suppose set1 is equal to India, China, USA and Russia. Now you cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or a key, but you can loop through the set items using a for loop or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using in keyword. Okay, so now I will access the elements inside my set1 using a for loop. So I am writing for and a variable I in the name of my set set1, and I will print the value of I. Now if I run the code, we can see that we have our elements here. That's how we can access the elements inside a set using for loop. Now we will learn that how to check if a particular element is present in our set or not. So to do that, I will just write print and name of my element. Suppose I want to check that if India is present or not. So India in the name of my set set1, and if I run the code, it says true. It returns a boolean value which is true. That means India is present in our set. Now suppose if I check for Japan, it says false. That means Japan is not available in my set. So that's how we can access and verify elements in our set. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.